Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to do the unboxing and quick review of Inspiron 15 laptop, Dell Inspiron 15 laptop. So the color that I have got is the platinum silver, and this laptop comes with Intel i7-11th Gen processor. The laptop comes with a 65-watt standard adapter. It is also supplied with a standard charger cable. So these days all the laptops comes with this minimum configuration, so nothing great in that. Generic paper and stuff like standard manual, generic process and warranty support guide. Here is our laptop. The color is platinum silver. The top is made of fiber and it has aluminum coating for a scratch resistance, and the back is made of fiber. It has a SD card reader, USB 3.2 Type A, and a combining microphone jack, one HDMI port, one power jack, USB 3.2 Type A, USB 3.2 Type C. It has the vanes for air circulation on the back, and also it comes with two speakers of 2 watts each. Let's boot up the device, and when it boots up, let's discuss about the internal specs. Let's talk about the internal specifications. It comes with 3 different operating systems: Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Pro, and sometimes it comes with Windows 10 Pro, but that includes 11 Pro licenses. And the processor is 11th Gen Intel Core i7-11th processor that comes with 12 MB of cache, 4 cores, 8 threads, up to 5 GHz turbo. And the video card is Intel Iris Xe graphics, and the display is 15.6-inch Full HD. The memory is 8 GB of DDR4 RAMs are included, so total memory capacity is 16 GB. And it comes with 2 different hard drive options. One is 512 GB and one is 1 TB. So I have bought the 1 TB one. This is 1 TB SSD. It has backlit keyboard and also comes with lid open power on sensor. So whenever you open the lid, it will power on your laptop. The fingerprint sensor is on the right top corner and it works pretty well. It's not as accurate as the phone's fingerprint sensor, but it works pretty well. Setting up the laptop was pretty easy, and it completed really quick. The only thing that I want to recommend is keep your laptop updated all the time. Get all the updates from Microsoft, and keep Windows Defender open all the time to get maximum protection from external threats. Uh, yep, that's it for now. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you.